building, its equipment, and the energy that runs them are big investments. You can see exactly how your facilities are performing with inView, a powerful building and energy management system. We know the real-world problems of sensors and data collection in buildings, and our hardware is designed to work trouble-free, on the ground, in real time. Our software is made for easy understanding and unlimited configuration. inView gives your physical plant a voice, telling you where it's doing well and where it needs help. inView gives you instant feedback on energy, fuel, water, and environmental conditions, and provides alerts and controls so you can take action. The web-based inView app runs seamlessly on Apple, Android, and Windows computers and mobile devices. Facility managers don't have to wade through oceans of data to know what's going on. inView's configurable alerts can give you just the hot-button information you want to know. You're notified before failures happen, extending equipment life and avoiding costly downtime. inView can integrate many different components into a stable network. Dent, APG, Grundfos, KE2, Obvious, Spire, Wattnode, and Rainwise are just a sample of the sensors, meters, and systems that work with the inView platform. inView communicates with Modbus, BACnet, Zigbee Wireless, analog and digital data, and OneWire, giving you amazing network flexibility. Wireless sensors can be placed inside ductwork or in refrigerators and coolers. Meters send data on energy use, flows, temperatures, and other information about pumps, rooftop units, or any equipment you connect. Use our revenue-grade meters to sub-meter energy and water in apartment and office buildings. inView tracks renewable energy like wind and solar. inView will monitor DC and AC and show you how much energy you're producing or sending back to the grid. inView also integrates the PV Performance Monitor, PVMet, from Rainwise. Scheduling maintenance for RTUs and refrigeration systems can be a challenge. inView alerts you to conditions like increased power use or frequent cycling that indicate problems. On the software side, virtually any data can be displayed in different ways. Choose line, area, and bar graph types, gauges, data cards, or graphical displays. inView allows you to create virtual data points to analyze your data in new and useful ways. These data points may be calculations on power, like converting to BTUs, or differential equations on a data stream, providing deep analysis of equipment performance. You can even create a virtual point that includes both real and virtual data. With carefully designed hardware, flexible data display, alerts, and controls, inView gives you the power to manage your facilities at peak efficiency. Contact PowerWise to learn more.